Use Magnolia's live copy to centrally manage, distribute and reuse content in multiple sites across multiple markets. Let's start with our content pool tree here, called the Home tree. It comes with a couple of associated regional sites. There's a German site called home.de. All of their pages use the same template, and the sites share an identical structure in a multi-tree approach. By simply executing the Create Live Copy action, Magnolia duplicates the site and its entire page tree. Once we open the newly created copy, we can see that it looks identical to the main site. However, there is one important difference: the fallback language. In the content pool tree, which is our master site, we have all the languages available that we use. In the German regional site, the languages are limited to English and German, our fallback language for this site. So let's change some content in our master site. Let's replace the image of this component with a different one. While the content has changed in the master site, the German version is still unaltered. It still shows the original picture. So let's push this change using live copy with the Push Master Changes action. In the dialog field, you can select the live copy trees that you wish to push your changes to. Check the Relink button to make sure that all pages in the tree are properly linked to their German versions. Let's push changes. Opening the German tree reveals the successfully pushed content changes. Sometimes, however, you don't want your regional site's content to be overwritten, or at least parts of it. That's why Magnolia lets you protect specific content or areas on your live copy site. The protection works on 3 levels. 1. You can protect entire pages from being updated by clicking Disable Updates from Master in the Pages app. 2. You can protect your content on component level within a page. And 3. You can go even more granular and protect content on field level. For instance, you can protect the image of a component from being overwritten from the master content, but let live copy override the text fields. Let's change the image again in our master tree, and then push the changes again to the German site. You will see that the image won't be changed because we protected the image field. Besides protecting existing content, you can create new components or section on top of the live copy versions. You can as well change the structure or create additional pages on top of the live copy pages which are not linked to the master content. Live copy is a powerful feature for your central editorial team to automatically roll out changes and reuse content across all your websites with the needed flexibility for localization.